Cryptocurrency is growing, and it's growing at a rate that a lot of us don't really understand. Because if you look at Bitcoin over the last decade, going from essentially worthless, people couldn't sell 50,000 Bitcoin for $1 on eBay back in 2010. You couldn't spend 10,000 Bitcoin to buy a pizza. And here we are today, knocking again on the door of $40,000 per coin. Ethereum, worthless, to above $2,000 where we stand right now. The cryptocurrency game is still in its infancy stages. And with the approval of these upcoming ETFs, we are going to see a massive influx of money that we have not seen before. And I want to discuss why in this video and why it's not only going to affect Bitcoin. Because if you guys didn't see the news yesterday, we have Ethereum ETFs that are now being applied for. Are they going to be approved as well? Well, let's discuss it. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you get that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And guys, I do want to say, I launched Bro Merch on Amazon yesterday. If you want to check it out, all you got to do is go to Amazon and search Clay Bro Merch. Few people have already made purchases, and I want to say sincerely thank you for that. You know, I never thought something like that would be possible, and it truly is an honor to see somebody wanting to wear, you know, a bro on their shirt or on their hoodie and so on. So thank you guys very much for anybody that even went out and searched for it or is going to leave feedback on the designs and so on in the comments. So appreciate you guys. Let's discuss these headlines. And let's discuss what it means for cryptocurrency moving forward and why we're going to see such a huge inflow of money based on these ETFs. Search crypto news today. What do you get? BlackRock's Ethereum ETF plan is confirmed in NASDAQ filing. BlackRock's spot Ethereum ETF plan is confirmed after NASDAQ filing. ETH rallies as BlackRock filing spurs ETF bets. BlackRock has filed to register new iShares Ethereum trust entity in Delaware. BlackRock may be considering an Ether ETF. Ether price jumps. Ethereum rockets past 2100 as BlackRock files for Ethereum ETF with the NASDAQ. BlackRock plan, you guys get the picture. I'm not going to go through and read every headline. So this is exactly what we've been discussing over the last couple of months. We are first going to see the approval of Bitcoin ETFs. We are then going to see the approval of Ethereum ETFs. And I don't know if this is the first place you're going to hear it or not, but we will see the approval of all types of altcoin ETFs as well. The same way that you can go in and buy an ETF that covers all of the stocks in clean energy in that sector, or you know, the oil industry, tech industry, following an index. There are ETFs that you can literally go and invest in a basket of goods, services, commodities, and you can invest on the stock market, on the NASDAQ, on the New York Stock Exchange, and so on. You can invest through those ETFs and easily diversify your portfolio. Now, once the approval begins, it's going to snowball very, very quickly. We are going to see ETFs for Bitcoin, yes. I don't know when they'll get approved, but I do know at one point they will be approved. We are going to see ETFs for Ethereum. And then you're going to see ETFs that cover the meme coin sector. Shiba coin, Dogecoin, name your meme coin, whatever it might be. You're going to be able to invest in the meme coin sector simply by buying an ETF. You're going to be able to invest in financial services blockchains XRP, Stellar Lumen, so on. You're going to be able to go out there and buy an ETF that covers an entire sector. You're going to be able to go out there and get into gaming coins through these ETFs. Now, I'm going to give you two reasons, why you're going to see these ETFs and why the approval is going to be very important. And these industry leaders like BlackRock are so eager to get approved. They make money. Guys, I don't know if you realize this or not, but these managed funds, these exchange-traded funds that are out there, you buy into them, yes, but these issuing institutions, they get a percentage. They get a cut. They make their money by managing others' money. So, yes, they are so eager to get more people to buy into Bitcoin through the approval of this ETF because they are going to end up making, look, millions of dollars is a lot of money. But in all honesty, over the next several decades, it is most likely going to be hundreds of billions of dollars that they make in the cryptocurrency space based on the management of these ETFs. It's just the way that it is. That is a lot of money, and they're not going to stop until they get that. In knowing that it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, eventually down the road, altcoins, sectors are going to be introduced and approved. Why is that so important for the crypto game? Because it opens up for a brand new set of buyers. If you think about it the way when Robinhood listed Shiba Inu coin, anybody who was unwilling to buy on the blockchain or anybody who was unwilling to trust another exchange, there's 20 plus million users on Robinhood who trust Robinhood. When Robinhood makes a coin like Shiba Inu coin available, people buy it on Robinhood, perhaps for the first time ever. Now, people trust the stock market. For whatever reason, they trust Gary Gensler. They trust the authority of the SEC. And when the SEC finally makes it available for these Bitcoin and these Ethereum and these altcoin ETFs to be approved, people who would never trust a blockchain transaction for whatever reason, they will trust the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, and so on. They will make their very first purchase of Bitcoin through a Bitcoin spot ETF. They will diversify into an entire meme coin sector with the purchase of one, potentially $10 ETF. They will trust this, and it will bring new buyers, and it will bring new money into the crypto game. So why is this so important? Normally when you've got an ETF, that ETF is collateralized by the stocks that are held within it. So, for example, if you went out and you bought an ETF that covers the entire tech sector and just break down however you guys want to weight it, whatever, it holds Apple and Google and Facebook and Amazon in that portfolio. BlackRock is holding those shares so that they can make that ETF available to you. In the same way, when they're making Bitcoin, Ethereum, SHIB, XRP available to the masses through these ETFs, they will be holding those cryptocurrencies in a portfolio to collateralize that ETF. The more people that buy into it, the more crypto they are necessary to hold. It is going to increase demand in a way that we have not seen yet in the cryptocurrency space. And when this happens, it could lead to the final massive bull market push. Yes, we will see continued growth as the decades move on. But this could be one of the final pushes that leads to absolute millionaires being made. Don't give up your chance to try. If this bear market has been brutal to you, just don't give up. Okay? I'm not asking you to add more. I'm not asking you to do anything that you don't want to do. But don't give up. Because if you give up and you're not exposed during the next rally, you don't want to regret it. So I want to know what you guys think about the approval of these cryptocurrency ETFs. Do you think, I'm just going to ask the question, do you think that you will see crypto sector ETFs like meme coins, financial services, gaming tokens, and so on? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere, 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Appreciate every single one of you guys for searching Claybro merch on Amazon, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.